Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. The performance of XRP after the liquidation event yesterday has impressed me, and I don't know about you. I mean, it's not quite back to its original level, it's probably 50.59 cents at the moment, I'll double check, but your XRP is currently somewhat more than 59 cents. A low of 52 cents was reached earlier, though. Everything in the market was rocked, because of this one mark, as if XRP had some special awful quality. So, it's back up again, despite that. In addition, there are other indicators that should be considered. Price of XRP surges by 100% regarding the influx of funds last year, it was far from the peak. True enough. Furthermore, I think this is excellent. If that turns out to be false, then the celebration can officially end. I see. As far as I'm concerned, the fact that we're here before this is a terrific statistic measuring reality. Today, this is the headline that really got my attention. XRP price rises again after its origin is a mystery to me. My apologies. Feel free to yes, I leaned away. I could vent my frustrations about something for a brief moment. It appears that whenever a YouTuber needs to cough, they always lean into the microphone. Will you kindly direct your attention to the correct direction, my son? I mean, really? That being said, you're very welcome. The price of XRP has recovered, thanks to a 220% increase in volume and a 3.5 billion boost. I agree. This is really fascinating. Additionally, I felt the need to mention this. Investor Brian Kelly thinks the cryptocurrency industry is about to enter a bullish phase. Just to give you an idea of how long it could last, here is. Additionally, it was first posted on CNBC. I must clarify that I do not come from a financial background of any kind before we continue. My counsel has nothing to do with money. Also, you shouldn't base any purchases or sales on what I say, right? As a pastime and for fun, I enjoy making films on YouTube regarding crypto-related subjects. I'm just an enthusiast. Thus, let us discuss incoming funds. Here at Fonta, XRP funds increased to $16 million in 2023, indicating a rise, but it's worth noting that this is just one additional factor to consider. Popular cryptocurrency has additional potential for growth, according to Peak. Yeah, that's definitely the case. Also, an extraordinary upsurge. In 2023, investment products including digital assets saw a staggering $2.2 billion inflow. Oh, yeah. From where does this originate? Neither today nor last week have I coughed. Aside from, say, once so, whatever. I deeply regret this. In terms of absolute magnitude, it ranks third all-time, behind only 2020 and 2021's record-breaking years. A newly released annual report by CoinShares provides insight into the significant growth within the XRP exchange-traded products (ETPs) sector. The report notes that XRP ETPs received $8 million at the end of 2022, which doubled from the previous year, and an astounding $16 million by the end of 2023. In the altcoin rankings, XRP ETP came in third, just below Solana and Ethereum. Despite the spike of $18 million acquired by XRP ETPs, XRP assets under management reached a considerable $77 million. In 2020, the numbers don't reach the peak they do in 2021, when they climbed to a remarkable $63 million. Very well. Is that news to anybody? 2021? Naturally, that was the final bull market. Can you see that I'm encircling 63 million in 2021 on this screen? Is anybody taken aback? It adds to the incredible quality. I mean, $63 million is a lot of money for an institution. At the time, XRP was under attack, and it has continued to behave in that manner. This nonsense with the SEC. If this year lives up to the hype everyone is predicting in January, I fear for the future of 2024. And there's solid evidence to suggest that it is, otherwise, this will be absolutely insane. The amount of money streaming in is going to be extremely massive. Even Bitcoin lacks the kind of legal clarity that XRP possesses, so I think a lot of people will be hesitant to invest in it during the last market cycle. However, once the dust settles, investors will realize that XRP is the only large-cap coin in the US that meets this standard. That is, without a doubt, a crucial consideration in my opinion. Consequently, certainly, institutional investors will be pouring money into some of this. If you are concerned about the short-term price movement of XRP and see that it has been stagnant, this or that, well, that's true until, like in crypto, it all of a sudden becomes untrue. All of a sudden, you find yourself in the middle of everything. So far, how has the performance been? Nothing out of the ordinary has transpired in the past 12 months. There has been zero wackiness. With all due respect, I must respectfully disagree. What do you think about the fact that XRP didn't reach a new record high upon receiving legal clarity? Is it crazy or bad? That isn't crazy in my opinion. Reason being, the plot is completely original. Never before has XRP reached a fresh all-time high. You would have thought XRP would have gone up if Bitcoin hadn't gone down first, but the market as a whole was falling. Not often in the cryptocurrency industry. I can think of a handful of times in the 6 years that I've been involved in the cryptocurrency market when specific coins had massive price increases. It happens very seldom when markets aren't booming and Bitcoin isn't in the forefront. Also, that has never happened with XRP on a consistent basis. Therefore, it's not a negative thing that it didn't. Plus, its movements have been in lockstep with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. To that end, I am thrilled. So far, I haven't seen anything awful or frightening. That is why, despite yesterday's price drop, all the credible analysts whose work I follow remain bullish on XRP. Now that it has broken out of its range, but it is still maintaining that support level, people now assume that the experts I consulted are pessimistic about its future success. In fact, I have yet to meet an analyst who does not share my optimistic outlook. Everyone is certain it will be a smashing success. How long it will take is the only question. Who knows? Perhaps it will be another month. XRP price rises $3.5 billion as volume soars 220%. We'll have a look at that. Additionally, the crypto market had its biggest event in several months, a massive liquidation of positions above $700 million in the last 24 hours. Even though the market was in a state of chaos, XRP and other well-established cryptocurrencies demonstrated an impressive comeback in trading volume and price. XRP and debt are acting in our desired manner. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my god, let the $700 million liquidation serve as a lesson. Borrowing money is a terrible idea. It's useless. According to data from CoinMarketCap, XRP had a significant spike in trade volume, reaching $3.5 billion, which is a 220% change from the previous day. Not since the middle of November has there been such a dramatic increase in trading volume. Regardless, even though its price dropped 20% during the market crash. As buyers flooded the market, XRP showed strength and recovered 15%. Just like you would expect and anticipate, it is doing what many other coins are doing. They sank to whatever depth they wanted, and then they rose again. Briefly put, that was it. Okay, even if a complete recovery hadn't occurred yet. There is, therefore, nothing particularly unusual about XRP's actions. The markets will either grow substantially or they will not. Therefore, let's discuss the likelihood of a massive bull market. Once again, the headline from the Daily Huddle is this. Here is how long investor Brian Kelly predicts the current crypto bull market might last. Cryptocurrency market investor Brian Kelly predicts a bull run that will last beyond a year. Fresh interview airs on CNBC about quick cash. According to BKCM, founder and CEO of a digital asset investment forum, there are a number of reasons to be bullish on cryptocurrency. When we talk about stocks, we talk about the breadth of the market and the breadth widening out to the mid and the small caps, he adds. In most cases, that indicates a strong bull market. The cryptocurrency market is currently witnessing that. Solana, Polka, and the Cosmos are all titles that you're bringing up correctly. The rally is beginning to take shape. Most importantly, some of these cryptocurrencies are really enabling the construction of tangible goods. A lot of value is being locked into decentralized exchanges, and decentralized lending is taking off in the DeFi sector. There are a lot of loans being made and received. The bull market is apparently getting a little wider, according to all these signs. The basics are there to back you up. Once again, I believe that we are likely at the start of this 12 to 18-month bull market, and that it will eventually spread to the other currencies mentioned. For that reason, I hope that it is the case. I don't think it will continue for another 12 to 18 months from where we are today, but I do think we're in for some major fireworks. In any case, his perspective and the things he says are correct. Every coin has been skyrocketing for the past month or so. In fact, for the majority of coins whose values I've tracked, the bottom appears to have been around the middle of October. Indeed, this is not merely a Bitcoin-related matter. In the cryptocurrency market, this is happening. It is gradually expanding. And I must say, in my opinion, it won't be enough to enter the market in 2024, there has to be more time. The fact that he is bringing up the topic of usefulness, that is, cryptocurrencies as practical products built on blockchains, is noteworthy. Along with his prediction that Bitcoin will soon rally again as traditional finance begins investing through the ETF vehicle, I also agree with his assessment that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has proven spot market Bitcoin exchange-traded funds could be a sell news event. You can find the quote here. I believe that this week we'll see a peak in the amount of speculation surrounding the ETF. Is it possible to have a sale? Of course. Keep in mind that many individuals still have not been able to purchase Bitcoin for their portfolio, so I believe that would be a good time to buy. This means that private wealth managers who plan to purchase the ETF during the year, or even an IRA investment of 1% to 2% to 5% end quote. I keep telling people that he's killing it with that, but if you're the kind who think that the whole Bitcoin ETF thing is just a story, then you might want to reconsider. It's not that nothing will come with it, rather, you must have faith that investment vehicles such as those from BlackRock, Fidelity, and others will be permitted by the SEC, maybe, but ultimately fail. In my opinion, they will succeed. While I do anticipate a sell the news event in the near future, which I believe is quite likely, I continue to believe that prices will rise as soon as the news is announced. I won't be bothered when a slew of individuals start profiting off of peddling fake news stories soon after that. That in no way indicates that 2024 is a total bust. Since my net worth is larger, we were pleased to see that you were keeping an eye on the blazon to the upside in case something went wrong. I don't care either way. In my own life, I'm going to be quite happy. There will be pyrotechnics, so fasten your seatbelts. Word on the street is that this has already, gone viral, and I highlighted that in a video I published earlier today. The decision has been made. No one from the official side has been involved. That's just hearsay. However, once it's released, you can easily find the details you need. This video is named It's Done Today. Therefore, it is quite easy to locate. Yes, admittedly, maybe just rumor, but it keeps coming from there, and a lot of credible people are saying it. It's possible that tomorrow the public will learn about the approvals, and there's a strong possibility that there's something to this. Particularly on the tomorrow part, I'm not really persuaded, although it does make sense. This is where I will, however, conclude. Nothing I say should influence your decision to buy or sell, because I am not a financial advisor. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.